Good morning guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 7. So I just edited a video and now I'm gonna have some breakfast and watch some YouTube. I don't know how well you can see, but I've got some porridge here. It's just, I've got porridge with what's in it? Honey, cinnamon and raspberries, and then I've also just got my coffee. So yeah, I'm probably gonna watch some YouTube and then yeah, get into filming and stuff. So yep. Okay, I hate when people are like, oh, I have a surprise, or like I'm working on something that's a secret and I can't tell you guys about it and stuff like that, but I'm gonna do it to you guys. I'm sorry, I'm working on something that is a secret for now, but I just started it, I guess, and I'm really excited and I cannot wait, and yeah, I want to tell you guys about it but I can't. But yeah, that's what I just spent my time doing just then. So now I think I'm gonna relax for a little bit and then I'm probably gonna get into some filming. So yeah, I think what I'll do now is watch a bit of YouTube. I didn't get to before because I was too impatient. I was like thinking about the thing that I wanted to do. I was like, oh, I can't like I can't sit and relax while it's on my mind, so I want to do it. And yeah, anyway, I'm gonna watch some YouTube and relax now, and then I'm gonna get into filming. I've decided that I'm not gonna do anything else for today. I have like lots to do, but I'm just like, I'm in a mood where I don't want to do anything, and there's no point doing stuff when I don't want to do anything, because then it's just, I've talked about this before, and then it's not my best work. And yeah, so I think today I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I've done my editing. I have a few more giveaway prizes to wrap, but I'm gonna wrap them on Wednesday because I don't get paid till Thursday, so I'll wrap them the day before I get paid so I can send the rest out, you know, hopefully. So yeah, I have done some stuff this morning that once again I can't talk about. Well, I can, but not yet. So yeah, I think I'm just kind of gonna chill. I'm going to Sam's later. We're gonna go out for tea, or we're just gonna go to like Zambra or something. But yeah, I feel like I just want to chill for today, you know, like I'm back to work tomorrow and then I've got a big week ahead, so I just want to chill, and that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna, I might watch some Friends or something, and then I'll edit the rest of my videos later before I go to Sam's. So yeah, pretty much it, I guess. But yeah, I'll show you guys what I'll do later on anyway. Okay, I'm with Sam now and we're going to get some tea. We're going to Burger House. Okay, we're going to Burger House, so yeah, that's how we're going now, to get some dinner. So yeah, I'll show you what we get.
Got some.
What? I got the Ferrero Rocher shake and Sam got just a vanilla. Yum, yum, yum. Alright, this is what we got. I got the Smoky House burger and Sam got Double Trouble. I'm so hungry. We've never been to the Rosny Hill lookout before, so we decided to come. It's pretty, isn't it? Mm-hmm. There's not really much to do here, but it is very pretty. So I feel like it'd be nice at night time, you know, when you see like the bridge lights in there. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, we're so full from tea, so after this I think we're gonna go to Kmart. Sam and I are in Kmart now. Can I point it at your back? We're in Kmart now. What do you think of Kmart?
Yeah, it's nice.
What are we here for? Tell them the story, that what happened.
What are we here for?
Your white bulb marker.
Oh yeah.
He left his.
Sorry, I just
oh, look at the bladeless fan. What's Sam? Yeah. Anyway, yeah, we just came up. Probably. Alright, go. I'm at Sam's house now. We just went to Kmart and got a few things, then we just went to the supermarket and just got like some chips and some Gatorade for tonight, and then we just went to McDonald's and got a drink as well. And yeah, that's it. We're home now. He is upstairs. But yeah, I just got changed into one of his tops. Hopefully he doesn't mind. I don't know if this is one of his good ones or not, but anyway. Yeah, so we probably won't do anything else for the night, but I'll update you guys anyway and let you know, so yeah.
Okay, so this is just the sample that I don't do anything else. I just watching some Simpsons and just went to the toilet, so that's what I would update you guys on. Anything like here. Yeah, I could have watched another episode of the Simpsons and then go to bed. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas Day 7. And I'll see you tomorrow.